Hi guys, just arrived at the waterfalls, ready for another day. It looks like it's actually going to be a nice day actually. It's always a bit slightly cloudy up here unfortunately because we're quite high up. But anyway, there's me, Cheryl and our little Maya making our way up the falls. Halfway up now, we've got just a little bit more climbing to do to get to the top of where the waterfalls are. Hopefully, not much more. We've both taken a bit of a breather. And there's just see Maya and my wife there, Maya and Cheryl. And so we just thought we'd stop here for taking a few sights. I've just panned the camera around. Hopefully you can see at the top. There's a small waterfall coming off the mountain there. Meantime, and then in the meantime that's the view I've got at the moment, so I'll just try and panic around and let you on. Look, so I've made it to the top. I'm going to pan around and obviously take my ugly mug out of it and let you see the actual waterfall itself. You see, hopefully they look as amazing for you as they do to me. Yeah, certainly top shelf. Beautiful. Yeah, down there. I'll take a few stills now just to finish off it, but if you're ever visiting, definitely worth the long walk up the hill to get to it. Hi guys, made it through the end. What's it? But the views are spectacular and the waterfalls worth seeing as well. Definitely worth a visit, so signing off. Right, we made it to the top. Cheryl counted the steps on the way down. It was just under 600 steps to get up there to the top. So it's a feral climb to get up there, but I've got to be honest, it's a lovely time. There's actually loads of little stop-off points on the way where you can stop and rest and so forth, a little bench and a chair and so forth. So elderly people like me can go up there and have a little bit of rest on the way up. But no, it's beautiful actually. I've got some footage and obviously I'll try and link to it. We even managed to actually fly the drone up there and get a bit of drone footage, which I'll try and obviously maybe link to the video, possibly to share it with everybody. This is actually the bottom, so we've got to the bottom, and then this final piece before we finish for the day. And just say, throughout this area, nice to walk, only €3 to get in, which is very reasonable. Obviously just for the maintenance really, for the steps and so forth. There is parking up here, but not really anything for the motorhome. What we actually done, because the site we're actually stopped off on, we're actually stopping over, is only about 7.5 to 8 kilometres away max, maybe less than that, maybe close to 5 kilometres. What we actually do, we actually bought the bikes, so we just rode up with the bikes. There's a bit of a hill with the bikes, so I'm not convinced, even though we have electric bikes, still a bit of an incline for them, so you may have to put the bike you've got to walk. The roads are pretty good. I wouldn't say they're particularly unsafe. They're not obviously wide, but they're not particularly unsafe. Have a nice time when you come here, it's great.